Hello YouTube, and whoever else is watching on the Grizzly Farms and whatever. Well, some people on the Grizzly Facebook group that I'm on have been wondering what comes in a Yamalube oil change kit. This is a 10W40 kit, and it's suitable for a number of different models. We got a Bruin, Grizzly 550, Grizzly 660, Grizzly 700, Grizzly 700 686, Grizzly Kodiak 350, Kodiak 400, Kodiak 450, Kodiak 700 686, Wolverine 450, the Rhino 450, Rhino 660, Rhino 700 all, Viking all, Wolverine side by side. So this kit does a lot of machines. So what you get in that, you get an oil filter, you get Yamalube oil, you get drain plug gaskets, and you get nitrile disposable gloves. I didn't see that in there. Okay, let's see what's in here, just for fun. All right, open the box up. Got 3 liters of oil. We got an oil filter. What else is in here? Brand new oil filter, Yamaha oil filter. Alright. We got some oil change instruction stuff. I don't see any gloves. I do see a funnel. Handy dandy cardboard funnel. Ooh, fancy. What else we got here? Take this, separate this stuff out. This I stick in my owner's manual. That's my info that tells me when I did it, what kilometers, the hours. I think that'll be good for the Yamalube 20-year warranty. That'll help. We got drain bolt copper gasket. Awesome. Some sort of O-ring. I don't think this is for my machine. Maybe for one of the side-by-sides or something. But still, another O-ring for the collection. And then here is one of the stainless oil bolt gaskets. I think that one might be for the 450 or the 350. I don't remember. It's been a while since I did the oil changes on my mom and dad's bikes. So that is what you get. 1 liter is a spare because you won't use it. You'll have spare gaskets every time because it depends on your bike. You get some handy dandy directions that you probably won't use because I ain't gonna use them. Filter, or the funnel, I ain't using that. I got real funnels. So this here, oh yeah, guaranteed that will be used. So you're gonna need 2 liters for, it's like 2 liters and a bit if you change the oil filter, and it's going to be 2 liters right on the dot if you don't do the oil filter, because you can reuse the oil filter. Some say oil filter every second time you change the oil. So oil change with a filter, do an oil change without a filter, do another oil change without a filter, and then the 3rd time change the filter. Like on my snowmobile, I got an 07 Yamaha Phaser for my wife to ride. This sucker. Little plug for Jess. It says change the oil filter every 20,000 kilometers. Every 5,000 kilometers do an oil change. That's what the book says. So here you are. Now you know what's in the oil change kit. The only thing that I did not get in here is the gloves, and I think they traded out the gloves for the handy dandy cardboard funnel. That's okay though. Nothing wrong with that. I think the funnel's probably more usable. Most of us guys don't really care if we get a little 1040 on our hands. That's no big deal. Anywho, there you go.